It's actually kind of hard. Can you? Oh, you can. Oh, you can. Oh my god, this is so hard. Oh. Which way do they come in? Oh my lord. Oh my god, they're coming from the sky. Ah! I didn't know it'd be this rainy today. Well, snowy. But we're literally in a storm. I don't think this is meant to happen. Ah! Oh lord. Nice. Reach the bottom. Okie dokes. Oh, this is like a dropper. You don't drop that fast. But I can deal with this. It's better than dropping at light speed. Stop laggy. It's so laggy. Nyong, we made it.
Yeah, hi YouTube.
Yeah, my brother might join me on Don't Press the Button.
I am.
But
Joined.
where is you, son? Oh, I see you. Yay!
No, I don't.
In your
I did.
inventory. Ah!
Eat.
Helps me. Yum. Wee. Ah! Oh my god.
Die, die.
Oh no.
Ah. Bro, what are you doing? Oh, you got magic carpets? Not fair.
Pizza! Pizza!
Okay. We're just running about because we're crazy. Collect the coins. Oh no. Get to the other side, okay. Lego. Number 1. Number 2. Oh no, touch the car. Oh.
Oh my god, the car just killed me.
Yeah, because they're an idiot. There you go, I'm across this side. Oh god, that scared me.
I just made that.
Reach the end, okie dokes.
Oh god, that is quick. Oh my, that is quick.
Okay, I get it, game. Oh no, I jumped. Yeah, you made it.
Still, it's hard.
Maybe because you're on mobile and the screen's smaller.
Yeah, but I might.
Oh, you made it.
I might join in my laptop account.
No, mate.
It's
Play on
easier
mobile.
laptop, isn't it?
Play on mobile. It's actually easier.
Ah, oh my god!
Follow
it just
every every Dr. Mom and the mommy
I can't
mo
even complete
me mo me
this.
mo mo. When is it gonna be over?
Finally,
wanna tap that
I
damn
just
button.
made it, then.
Oh,
I'm the button presser again.
get ready, fight. Oh, I can't move.
Me neither. You don't have a magic carpet.
I can't move. I couldn't move.
Oh my god!
She's on.
Right,
The
can you
people with magic
move?
carpets are unbeatable. Alright, coin shop. You get magic carpets for 5,000. Oh yeah, I'm gonna save for that. Oh no.
This is easy. I just stand here where they don't spawn.
Actually, you could just go over here. They
I did that purposely.
so much.
It is really
Easy.
Bro, you got little jetpacks.
Yeah.
Flying clown.
Very easy. Hashtag easy.
Were you the button presser?
Yeah. Colour the most amount of tiles.
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna colour in all of these people. This person on the cover is that's how we're gonna win. 200 isn't worth it.
No. You can get it for 5,000 coins. I got the throne. Don't mind me just rubbing the walls. Meow.
Yeah, press it. Good.
Meow. 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 Oh, you want them to go this way. Stop, stop, stop. Meow. 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 I got you. I'm just running in the oh no, they put one. Oh no, they got one. I'm glad. Move them all. Mikey. Avoid being grilled. Well, I'm stuck. So I'll obviously
Stay on the
win.
oh no, you can't.
I got stuck underneath. Can I stand now? Yay, I can stand. I'm underneath the grill. Look at me.
That hurt.
I'm literally stuck, Mikey. Anyways.
That blew me.
I'm just running in the night air. There's a new way. Damn.
That's expensive.
Mm.
Should we play something else?
No.
You have 250 coins?
Yeah.
Sure, you can buy stuff.
Yeah, I'm saving up 5,000 magic carpet. $3 bucks. Okie dokes. I got some stuff in the wallet. This is actually quite
I got killed.
I'm fine. No, I died.
Millie, stay there. Come right into my face, Millie. right to my face.
Pizza!
And I'm just gonna chop your eye out like that. I'm the button presser. Whoa!
No, I did it. Look at me
Wow,
move.
this is so cool.
Totally. Oh, we can jump so high.
I love spending time with you.
Walk so slow.
Figure out how to survive.
Oh, you can literally just jump up here. Yay! I can do this.
They're all just running for their lives, like help, help.
And I'm just standing up here like... Okay.
Millie, you know you can edit your videos with like that. Help, help.
Okay.
Do that, yeah. Edit it once you've done the actual video.
Mate, I'm still doing it. Alright guys, that might just end the video here. Let's see the struggle of me trying to end the video. Woo! Skirt. And again, and boom. Goodbye!